Hello dear students, welcome you all to my channel again. And today I am going to tell you how to increase your score in board exams and how to prepare for class 12 board exams. Because of today's scenario, coronavirus has once again attacked over us, and we have seen that you all are so much mentally perturbed. What will happen whether the CBSE will conduct the exams or not? Let me tell you here that CBSE will definitely conduct the exam for class 12 whether they are online or offline. So you have to be mentally prepared, because CBSE will definitely announce the new dates on June 1, because the board is going to review the COVID situation, and students will have about 40 to 45 days to improve their preparation. Now, because you have enough time, so you must do one thing, and that is rigorous practice of the sample papers, because these sample papers are already released by CBSE on its portal. But before opening those sample papers, what more important to you is to understand the marking scheme. Due to the COVID situation, all the schools affiliated with CBSE have been conducting the online classes, and moreover the examinations have also been conducted online throughout the year. Now, marking scheme has also been released by CBSE, and only then you will be able to increase the score in the exam. And both the things will be told to you further. And what are these two things? What is the marking scheme, and where are the CBSE sample papers released for class 12? So with this you can understand two important things, that first of all you have to understand how many questions of how many marks will be asked and in which section. And if you reply appropriately there, you will be given full marks for your answers. Because CBSE has released the sample papers right from the optional, right from the main subjects to optional and additional subjects, and they are available on its website, CBSE's website. And along with this, marking scheme has also been given, and although in my next video I am going to download that for you, and I'll tell you in detail what is the new marking scheme and what type of questions in which sections are being asked by CBSE. Those who want to download themselves, they can download by clicking on the link which is given on its portal. Though I have not given the link here, and from there you can also understand the strategy of answering your questions by CBSE. So this is all in this video. Students, we will meet again, and till then, bye bye, because in my next video I am going to tell you the strategy of the marking scheme given by CBSE.